Malaking pressure daw ang hinaharap ni Prime Minister Mark Carney matapos maipasa ang budget ayon sa isang ekonomista. Di pa rin daw mawawala ang banta ng posibleng eleksyon sa minority government ni Carney, lalo na kung di maramdaman ng Canadians ang ginhawa. Ang report mula kay Rhea Santos.
Is that Carney is on a tight leash. Kasi dalawang votes lang yung kumbaga from 170 to 168 eh. Kumbaga talagang dikit lang ano. So he's on a tight leash. So which means na he has a lot of pressure. No? He's on a lot of pressure to deliver yung kanyang mga promises.
Ligtas man sa isang eleksyon bago magpasko, di pa rin dapat maging kampante si Prime Minister Mark Carney sa pagpasa ng budget ng Liberals, ayon sa ekonomistang si Michael Batu.
So Mark Carney promised affordability. Diba? So kumbaga magiging mas maginhawang buhay para sa ating lahat, mas affordable. If Canadians don't feel the positive effects ng budget in the form of affordability, then that might actually trigger an election. If Mark Carney can't deliver that soon enough, let's say around mga spring next year or summer, we might actually be headed sa isang election bago mag-fall next year.
Nakabantay daw ang Canadians kung matutupad nga ba ang ginhawang hatid ng mga generational investment na pangako ni Carney. Tinatayang higit 70 bilyong dolyar o halos doble ang projected deficit ng bansa.
We've seen, for example, in the last 10 years, we've had deficits, but the Canadian economy has grown barely. So what Carney needs to do really is to use these deficits to grow the economy. Yun yung kinakailangan ng gawin. If he fails to deliver on that, then ang balik niyan sa atin, it will bite us at some point through higher taxes, kasi babayaran din natin yan in the future, yung mga deficits na yan. Higher taxes, mangungutang ang gobyerno, at pag nangungutang ang gobyerno, magbabayad yan ng interest, yung interest yun babayaran din natin.
Ayon pa kay Batu, maraming bahagi ng budget ang nangangailangan ng Budget Implementation Bill. Mga panukala na papasa lamang sa House of Commons kung makakakuha ng sapat na boto ang Liberals.
Isa sa mga sinasabi ni Carney is ibababa nila yung taxes for productivity purposes. So to make businesses competitive, bababa nila yung taxes for some businesses para maging mas competitive sila. But the thing is, if you want to have changes sa tax rates, for example, that will require legislation. There's still a lot of uncertainty right now, but if Mark Carney wants to survive as a minority government that long, he needs to reach out formally to other parties through a confidence and supply agreement, either with the Greens or with the NDP.
May impluwensya raw ng epekto ng mga taripa ni US President Donald Trump ang inilatag na budget na sana'y magbunga para sa kapakanan ng Canadians.
We reacted through the budget. The question becomes, would those investments pay off in the future? Meron bang garantiya na talagang matutulungan ito yung mga sektor ng tinamaan? Meron ba tayong makikitang meaningful growth coming out of this?
Rhea Santos, Omni News, Vancouver.